Do you want to add email in WhatsApp? You can add a Gmail account on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add your Gmail account to WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a pop-up menu appears. From here, select Settings. On the Settings screen, tap on Account. There you will see different account and security settings options. You will see an option to add your email address. Just tap on it. Now a new screen appears. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Add Email. Now, type your Gmail address or any other email carefully and tap on Next. A pop-up may appear. Confirm your email address by tapping the Continue button. Now your Gmail address is linked to your WhatsApp account. This email will help you reset your PIN if you ever forget it and will make your WhatsApp more secure.